Welcome to this video of the Goal Setting Masterclass. In this video, I would like to present you the curriculum of this course. So basically, I'm going to answer the question what you're going to learn in this course. So let's start with the first topic. Now, the first thing that we are going to cover here in this course is, of course, the mistakes that most people make when they set goals. Because I think we all once had that feeling. We wanted to achieve a certain goal, but then we didn't. We procrastinated and we found reasons to not go out and do. And the first thing that I want to do with you here in this course is analyze the mistakes and how we don't make them again. So then the second part of this course will be all about SMART goals. So goals that are specific, that are measurable, that are achievable, that are results oriented, and that are time bound. So we are going to have a look at the SMART model and how to apply it in the real world. Then the next part of this course will be focusing on the application to the real world. And I'm going to show you how to turn broad goals into SMART goals. Then the next topic will be Edwin Locke's motivational goal setting theory. So we're going to talk about motivation and what motivation is, and also what the difference between motivation and discipline is, plus how to develop motivation and how to develop discipline. Then the next part will be all about behavioral psychology. So why exactly do we make mistakes? Why exactly do we not achieve our goals? And then I'm going to show you with other methods of behavioral psychology how you can turn these concepts around and achieve your goals just simply by changing your behavior. And then at the end, we are going to cover 7 goal setting strategies. You can use these strategies at any given time to achieve your goals. So basically, all of these are proven strategies that will not just help you to create goals, but also to achieve them. So that is basically what you're going to learn here in this course. If you have any questions, you can of course message me at any given time. I'm always willing and I'm always happy to answer all of your questions. Alright, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see each other in the next one.